Hey guys, quick video here. So I've reviewed a lot of lights from this company ThruNite. They make some awesome LED lights, flashlights of all different kinds. It says a ThruNite titanium alloy for women or men. It's a keychain knife. So they sent it to me. I thought, well, I'll make a little quick video of it. Open it up here. That's about the specifications. Not really any instructions. It does say length 2.44 inches, weight 0.58 ounces, material titanium alloy. But comes in a neat little case. So it's just a keychain knife, I guess. We'll take it out here. So that's it. It's got this little loop here. Okay, this is one of those that you can just unthread it. It's got a little threaded piece here. And then we just thread it back through once you put it on to whatever you're going to carry it on. So you can carry this thing on you put your keys on it or whatever. Or this thing here looks like this is made, you can hang it on your belt loop on your side. Let's open this up. So that's the blade. Just a little blade. Let's see if it's sharp enough to cut this paper. Of course, it's kind of hard to hold the paper in. Oh yeah, it's actually, I'm surprised it cut it that easy. So yeah, it cuts right through it with ease. Sharp little blade. So it's actually got a cutting edge here and a cutting edge here, and then a fine point right there. It's also got a little thumbnail thing here to pull it out, like so. But that's all there is to it right there. Titanium alloy. It definitely is extremely lightweight. Very, very cool. So you can put keys on this, like so. So I just stuck a Honda key on there. You could actually, if you didn't want to use this and shorten it up, you could actually just put this through here, or you could put this part here through your key as long as it fit, but that should fit right through that key either way. So it also would fit like on your belt loop on your pants. Super cool. Okay guys, that is it for the little ThruNite keychain knife. Very cool. Definitely a sharp little dude. Just a short little blade, but come in pretty handy. You can pack this anywhere. I'll probably put this on my bike and keep it with me on my bike for when I'm out adventuring somewhere. But you never know when you might want to do something. I can actually, believe it or not, I could skin a rabbit with that. I could probably skin a deer with that. Be tough, but I think you could do it. Definitely good for a rabbit or squirrel or whatever. Need to cut some rope with it when you're out surviving. Awesome. And super lightweight. So I will post a link below in the description where you can check this thing out. ThruNite titanium keychain knife. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Right on.